This is the Jet Performance Recon Life Vest. It's made from an ultra-durable neoprene outer shell, and the foam inserts are made up of a combination of PVC and polyethylene that doesn't absorb water. It has an amazing tactical fit, with extra strap length making a more tailored fit so that there's no need to go up in size. This vest is Coast Guard approved, making it a great choice for all water sports. It features multiple 3D rubber logo shields, 2 YKK zippers, a D-ring for carrying keys. It also features a water-resistant front pocket with plastic welded seams, serving as a safe place to store your phone along with other small items. My personal favorite feature of this vest is the built-in GoPro chest mount. The mount itself can change orientation, and with the support strap attached, it will give you those smooth shots you're going for every time. Stay capturing action all while staying afloat in comfort and style with the new Jet Performance Recon Life Vest. Order yours today at wetjetperformance.com.